It's such a nice day. Yeah, sure is. Yeah, dude, nice day. Yeah. So what do you guys want to do today? I don't know, dude. Neither do I. I don't either. Neither do I. Okay, guess no one knows what to do. I'm gonna go get a snack. Okay, guys, who wants to go to the store with me? We don't have any chips or ice cream or any snacks, really. Ooh, I'll go. Ooh, I'll go, dude. Okay, what do you guys want? Okay, let's go. Meanwhile, yeah. Hey, King Pig, what is it? Don't you see it over there? Oh yeah, it's a portal. Why'd you build a portal? Oh, it's a time machine. It'll take the... I made a new method that teleports the eggs over there here. Cool. So, and then we'll have to come over here and go back in time and have a little bit of a scramble. Go some. Just gotta go get some magic potion in there from when they go in there. Should be working now. Let's use it. Use the mechanism. The eggs should be here now. Yay! Wonder when they will be back. Zoom. Wait, where did the eggs go? Oh, dang it. This is bad. Okay, guys, where did the eggs go? Did you guys want... No, the eggs just randomly teleported. What? Are you kidding me? Ugh. So we're gonna have to go get them back from the pigs. Okay. Let's go. Bye. Bye, guys. See you later. Pigs. What is that? Oh, it's a time portal. The eggs are in there. The eggs are in there. It's the only way that you will be able to steal it. Get the eggs back. But, okay, let's go through the portal. No, but you have to fight me first. Oh no. Oh no, throw him out. Well, looks like it's all up to... Whoa, where are we? I think we're back. The night after we defeated Skelly. Oh yeah. Woo! I'm back. Oh no. Zoom. Oh yeah, weapons, boy. So, if you don't get the eggs back in time, or me, or you don't defeat me, the eggs will be eaten already, and you and I will be fine, and I will be fine, and you will be dead. And if you win, this event never had happened. So let's get to fighting! Get you! He's really tough. the same age. Yes. All right. Oh, dear. Death. Oh, dear. Oh. Whoa. Oh, no. Oh, crap. I guess I die. I guess you win, I die. But I may be lying. Wha- Okay. Oh, we lost last date. But we're up. Let's go through the portal. Let's go. You can't go through the portal. You can't bring weapons. Guess we gotta leave our weapons here. Guys, guess they never existed. So, let's go through the portal. Oh no, my invention failed. No! Let's fight him. The eggs! You fool! Nope. Whoa! Ow! What happened? Portal exploded. What? Okay. We'll get you next time, birds. We have a surprise up our hands. So we're back. How's your adventure? Fun. Well, it's kind of a little bit secret, so yeah. So, what do you guys want to do now? I don't know. Neither do I. I don't either. I won't. I'm gonna go get a snack for a little bit. 5 minutes later. Okay, guys, I'm done. I got a good idea. Let's go to... Who wants to go to Choicers to buy a new toy? Oh, me. I bet I'll just buy a new video game or something for my Switch. Okay, guys, let's go. Well, they're gone. Let's go watch some romances. Well, guess I'm alone. Gonna go see Red 6.